Carrot and taro donuts in my own healthier way. These donuts are my version of the Vietnamese recipe Banh Tom. This mixing bowl contains 13 tablespoons of rice flour. The rice flour that achieves the desired result for this recipe is only sold in a 400-gram small transparent plastic bag available in any Asian grocery. So for this specific recipe, do not use other rice flour brand such as this one, but instead use the Asian brand. After gathering all the ingredients, let's make the batter. A quarter teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, sea salt or Himalayan salt, and pepper to taste. Just a little bit more. Simply stir. While adding water, whisk energetically for a smooth and lump-free batter. So simply stir. The batter consistency should look like this. Next, incorporate 1.5 cups of taro strips cut in matchstick size. Then, same quantity and size for the carrot strips. Both taro and carrots should be sliced previously, ideally with a mandolin slicer or a food processor with the appropriate slicing disc. Evenly coat the strips with the batter. The making of the veggie donuts. Form the donut by spreading mixture on a shallow ladle. Form a round flat shape of 1.5 centimeter thickness. By not leaving any space empty, not only we shorten the cooking time, but also preventing the oil to become harmful for our health. Turn over each donut so that both sides are slightly golden. Then, remove it from the oil. The cooking time is quite fast here. As a matter of fact, oil under high heat over a long period of time is not optional at all for our health. So let's be quick. Let me share with you my little twist on how to drain fried food from the oil and stack the donuts, preserving all the crunchiness by draining the most oil possible. Just take a look, a video worth 1,000 images. You can tightly hold the donut with a pair of chopsticks or a kitchen tongs. I stack every donut vertically on a grid, leaving a space in between them. This way, I preserve the crunchiness while allowing them to cool down. One of my suggestions is to garnish a nice serving plate with fresh coriander, Thuy soy-free soy sauce as a dipping sauce, the carrot and taro donuts in my own healthier way, and why not my Milk Mom dressing enhanced. Enjoy life. Voila!